Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to jump on the trend of glowing up for quarantine, except this is gonna take a while. I'm not like those other people who can glow up in 24 hours. Like, there are levels, there's like a process to this. Like I can't do it physically. I know I can't. Just washing my hair alone takes like a day. So that's 24 hours already wasted. My game plan is to basically glow up mind, body, and soul. What do I mean by that? I obviously want to look better, so I'm going to be plucking my eyebrows for the first time. Usually I only like remove like flyaways, but today I'm actually gonna try and like, I don't know, give myself a little shape. I mean, I don't really have eyebrows. Like, I've never actually gotten my eyebrows done because, like I said, I have no eyebrows. I'm gonna shave my face, which I'm very afraid of doing. Obviously, like, these braids or these crochet braids like have to go. I was only supposed to leave them in for a month, and then another month went by and we were stuck inside, so I just didn't feel like doing my hair. And obviously, you know, I'm gonna do my makeup, try to make myself look cute, except I haven't done my makeup in so long. I don't even think I remember how to even do eyebrows on myself. So this should be fun. Oh wait, I did say soul. Basically, I feel like I do not pray enough, and I really want to start praying more. Obviously, I'm not gonna do that on camera, but yeah, I want to incorporate more prayer into my life. So yeah, let's see if we can transform this. Ow. Oh, it really stings. I know I'm being like a big baby, but that was intense, guys. That was a lot for me. I watched a tutorial on this, I'd say like maybe a week ago, and I think they put oil on their face first and then shaved. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, I just need like a second. I feel like if I'm going to go so close to my sideburns, that's going to just make these look crazy. And now that I'm looking at them, I just feel like they look a little rough around the edges. Like, they don't look that cute. They look a little crazy. So I just feel like I need to shape off some of my sideburns. But I'm not prepared for this. I didn't prepare to shape off my sideburns. I don't know if I should just like shape off half. I'm scared. I think I'm just gonna go for it. This doesn't look half bad. I mean, I feel like I missed a couple of spots. I think I'm gonna leave these here. I feel like I need like some sort of sideburn. I don't know. I was just gonna cut them out with scissors because they're not even real like box braids. They're crochet, but I think I'm just gonna do this. This might be a little easier. This is
classy bougie.
No, it's classy moody.
I'm a savage.
Classy, moody, ratchet.
Classy, bougie.
No, it's classy.
Yes, it is.
It's classy, moody.
Yeah.
It's classy, moody, nasty. All right, so I'm just gonna cut this right here. You guys will see me once my hair is washed and conditioned and ready to be styled. I don't know when that's gonna be. Today, tomorrow, next week. I literally, I have no idea. All right, guys, so I finished unbraiding. So this is where my hair is at right now. So I think I'm just going to detangle my hair. It looks super crazy right now. Like, look at it. I may wash it tonight, but I don't know. If I don't feel like it, I'm just gonna leave it for tomorrow. Maybe I can convince my sister to wash it for me, but I don't think she will. So guys, my hair is done and my sister said that I look like I lost 10 pounds without my hair, which I thought was really funny because I don't think so, but I mean, whatever. So for tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a foot mask that I got from Nordstrom Rack. Well, it's not a foot mask, but it's supposed to make your foot peel. Then I'm going to whiten my teeth because my teeth have been looking yellow. And then we're gonna be figuring out what I'm going to be doing with my hair. I have so many wigs that I don't even use anymore, so I'm gonna look through, see which one I can revive. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's been 2 days since I last saw you. My sideburns are starting to grow back a little bit. I'm still ugly and I'm wearing an ugly sweater. But luckily, this is a glow up video, so I'm about to get it together. Like I said the other day, I want to whiten my teeth. I want to do a face mask, do a foot mask, and get rid of my callus stuff. And for my hair, I decided to straighten one of my old curly wigs. It's a brown color, it's close to my natural hair color. This wig is really like, it's a hot mess. It's very tangly, so it's gonna need to be detangled and it's probably gonna need a trim. So yeah. This thing is actually pretty good. I'll link it down below. I have no idea why I did this in my room, so don't ask. I should have did it in the bathroom. I'm about to hop back into the shower and wash my feet and shave my legs. I forgot to shave my legs in the shower, but I did shave my underarms. So yeah, I want to wash my feet again, put some oil so it feels soft. So I'm about to start the makeup. My sister did my eyebrows for me because like I said in the beginning, I can't do eyebrows right now. And she's gonna be like overseeing, you know, the way I do it because I just need help and she always makes me look good. So if you guys kind of see her in the background, that's why. Carol Baskin killed her husband, whacked him. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed making it. If you want to see more transformation videos, definitely subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up so I basically know to do more of these. If you guys don't do these things, then how will I know? And if you guys want to see more of me outside of YouTube, follow me on Instagram. I am the most active there. I'm not really active on Snapchat or Twitter. I feel like I'm the most active on Instagram, so follow me on there. And yeah guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.